The challenge. Define leadership in such a way that you can train to the definition and measure the results. Books are written, courses are taught, and workshops abound on leadership, but almost no one has a measurable definition that will stand up to scrutiny and that guides their training efforts. Is it actually good enough to say, I can't define good leadership, but I know it when I experience it? Here is the issue. If you cannot clearly define leadership, then you cannot clearly train people to be better leaders, and you cannot measure how effective your training program, book, or workshop is. And that, my friend, is why leadership training gets the rap of the soft stuff. Here's a clear definition from Simlog. It is measurable and answers the challenge. Leadership is a process of unifying a diverse group of people to work together effectively under varied and often difficult circumstances through the elimination of scapegoating, the judicious use of power, and a maximization of mediation. Dave Carey using Simlog offers leadership training, and the results are measurable. Can you answer the challenge?